the final result. So firstly we will download all the required files, so you have to head to the description below and navigate to the first link and download the Taskbar X from here. Now, go to the second link and download the Windows 11 dark wallpaper from here. Navigate towards the third link and download File App Installer from this website. Go to the fourth link and download the Rainmeter. Now, navigate to the fifth link and download this Portal Doc Drive file. After downloading all these files, you have to navigate to the Downloads folder. Now install the Files app as shown. Unpin the old Files Explorer and pin the new one. Now, launch the Files Explorer. Now, go to the settings and choose the theme that you like. You can have dark theme as well as light one. Go to Advanced. Now turn on this one. Now we have to extract all of the 3 files presented here. So, extract all of them one by one. Now, delete all of these. Now, download the Rainmeter as shown. This Rainmeter has some default skins, so unload all of them. Now open this Portal folder and copy this doc folder. Go to Documents. Now open Rainmeter. Skins folder. Now paste the doc folder here. Go to the downloaded files. Now open the Taskbar X folder. Scroll down and open the Taskbar X, this blue icon. It will middle the icons on the taskbar. Now open Taskbar X Configurator, the black one. Select Transparent from here and click on Apply. It will make the taskbar transparent. Now right-click on the downloaded wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. Now go to the tray icons and open the Rainmeter from here. Make sure to refresh it. Now load all the skins shown in video. Place all the skins as shown on the video. Right-click on the taskbar and open Taskbar Settings. Turn on this Automatically Hide Taskbar. I have uploaded a variety of desktop themes on PC tutorials. If this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment box.